So I have this BMW 2013 328i, and I bought this valve cover on eBay, and it looks exactly the same, kinda. But then after replacing, I was having like mass airflow sensor codes. I had like misfire in all cylinders. And then I was reading around, and some people say they changed the sensor and nothing changed. But so I kept the old cover. What I did, I basically just removed the gaskets from the new one, all the gaskets, and I put on the old one, after done the job. This is the second time I'm doing the job, and after doing that, the misfire is gone. Like the car is running fine. I can see some smoking coming from the side, but I'm guessing it's every time I change, the oil goes down to the exhaust. When it gets hot, it just smokes, so this smoke is gonna go away. But yeah, if you have a misfire problem after doing a valve cover change on your BMW 328i, probably you just got a fucked up valve cover. I don't know, yeah, but after changing, I put back the old one with the new gasket, and it's fine. I'm gonna go for a test drive. I'm gonna let this smoke go away, and hopefully everything works fine. But the misfire is gone. The car would be idling very rough, and when I would disconnect the master flow sensor, it would run fine. But now, even though it's connected, everything is running fine. So I hope this video helps. Yeah, if you're running the same situation, just replace the old cover back. Hopefully that fixes your problem. Alright, bye, good luck.